Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing an intro to my channel, and this one is Beauty Baby 8801, sorry. And you might recognize me from a different video, or different videos and channel. I am from Beauty Beyond Beauty, and that channel was not very beauty related, so I thought I'd just create a new one that's only beauty videos and nail related and hair stuff. So this one's only going to be that, so these are going to be the videos you're looking for. So, yes. Okay, so I wanted to create a tag now that I want to create a Christmassy tag. Stuff like that now that's becoming Christmassy and it's getting cold outside and stuff like that. So I just wanted to create a tag of my own and pass it around. But people have created tags that I thought of the name, but I looked it up and people have already passed it around and stuff like that. And the one that I came up with was the Winterlicious tag, but that one's already been passed around. Boo! But yes, so I'm going to create a tag. So if you would comment names that I could create, and I'll be thinking of my own. And so that one's going to be up pretty soon. So if you check out this video, just subscribe, comment, and like this video, and keep checking my channel for my tag. It might be up after this video, but just want to say that. And before I end this video and stuff like that, I just want to say that I pay for most of everything that I show on here. I know that I'm younger and stuff like that, but I actually do pay for myself. For my birthday, I just ask for money so I can pay for myself, because I feel bad that my parents buy me even more stuff, because they buy me a lot of stuff and they spoil me as it is. So I feel that I should pay for what I have a hobby of, which is makeup and stuff like that. So I'm also not bragging about all my stuff. I just want to show people, because I just love makeup and stuff like that. So just want to make that clear. So yeah, so that's it for my intro video, and thanks for watching.